I will guarantee you, you've already seen it.
Oh wow, lights on. The backside of water.
I'm not doing my time.
Oh, it's a post like that. Your scoreboard, huh? Well, what's the max score on this thing? Is there a max score on this thing? Can you get like galactic hero?
Is that one of the 360 cams?
Yes, it is.
Ah, those are cool. They're all around good camera.
Yeah.
That was bad.
I know. Well, that's what I do. That's
Puns are good.
That's why I always say I'm stupid afterwards. And I didn't get it on camera. Okay,
Thank you for
take
filling.
two.
Thank you for
No,
filling.
it's on.
Somebody's got to do it, right?
Yeah.
Normally it's me, so dude. I'm in one of the Facebook groups called like Bad Dad Jokes or something, and one of my viewers saw, I guess he was in there as well, and he goes, "Now I see where you get your content from these Bad Dad Jokes."
Alright guys, as we go through, please stay on the right side of the track. Do not step on any of the boxes with the little green boxes on the ground. And please do not step on the track. So as we're walking through it, you can step over the track, but please not step on the track. Everybody good?
Yep.
Alright, let's do this.
If you step on down, you go ahead. Have fun today.
Thank you.
That way you get it.